Good morning, children. Yesterday we have done till question number 14 of exercise 17.1 from trigonometry. Today I am going to solve some other questions of this exercise. And what is the logic behind these questions? The main logic is we should know about the relation between the trigonometric ratios. We all know there are 6 trigonometric ratios, and the relation between these trigonometric ratios we should know. We have revised yesterday also. Now I am going to solve this question number 17. In this question, cosec A equals to root 2 is given, and this value of this expression is to be find out. Now what you can observe that cosec A equals to root 2, we have relation of cosec A with some other trigonometric ratios. We will use that. But what is to be find out in the given expression? Sin A. You know the relation between sin and cosec A, that inverse relation, that sin A equals to 1 upon cosec A. Now cot A, tan A and cos A. See, cos A you can calculate by calculating sin A. How? Cos square A equals to 1 minus sin square A. So from that relation you can calculate value of cos A. Now tan A will be sin A upon cos A, and cot A will be 1 upon tan A. So once you will calculate all the values of these trigonometric ratios, you will just simply substitute these values in this expression. So cosec A equals to root 2. So I will use the relation sin A equals to 1 upon cosec A. Correct? So value of cosec A is 1 by root 2. So value of sin A is 1 by root 2. Now cos A, relation between cos and sin, that cos A equals to under root 1 minus sin square A. By which relation? Because cos square A plus sin square A equals to 1. Now I will put the value. Value of sin A is squared here. So I will put the value and mark the square. Square of root 2 is 2. After taking LCM, you will again get 1 upon 2. Square root of 1 is always 1, because whatever with the power of 1, the answer will be 1. But root 2 will be written as it is. So cos A, value of cos A is 1 by root 2. Now value of tan A. Tan A is what? Sin A upon cos A. When you will put the value of sin A is 1 by root 2, cos A is 1 by root 2. So root 2 cancel each other. 1 by 1 means 1. Value of tan A will be 1. I will solve here right now. So tan A. Now cot A is what? 1 upon tan A. So it means 1 upon 1 again. So it is 1. Value of cot A is also 1. Now I will substitute all the values of trigonometric ratios in this expression. That 2 sin square A plus 3 cot square A upon tan square A minus cos square A equals to 2. Value of sin square A I root 2. Value of cot A is 1, but it is squared. Now value of tan A is also 1, and value of cos A is 1 by root 2. When you will substitute 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3, it is 1 minus 1 upon 2. 2 will cancel, it will be 1 plus 3. Here I have taken LCM in the denominator. So it will be 4, 1 by 2. 2 will get cross multiplied with 4, so it is 8. So answer will be 8. So in this type of question, what you have to do, whenever any value of trigonometric ratio is given and any complicated expression is given, so what you have to see, you have to see the relation between the trigonometric ratios. By solving these trigonometric ratios with the help of that relation, you will get the answer. Okay. Now come to question number 20. See this question. 5 cos A minus 12 sin A equals to 0. This is given, and value of this expression is to be find out. Definitely the relation between sin and cos is given, and in the expression, in this expression you have to calculate the value related to sin A and cos A. So what you have to do in the given part, you can simply shift 12 sin A to the right, so it becomes positive. Okay. Now what we can do? We can write either cos A upon sin A or sin A upon cos A by cross multiplication, correct? So it's completely our choice that we can write cos A upon sin A equal to 12 upon 5. Simply cross multiplication I have done. And in the given expression, if we will divide by sin A in each numerator and denominator, we will have this type of expression. Like if we will divide by sin A in the numerator, it will become sin A upon sin A1. Cos A upon sin A, it will become cos A upon sin A, and it will become sin upon sin 1. So cos A upon sin A, in case of cos A upon sin A, we will put this value. So that's why now we can write sin A upon cos A upon 2 cos A minus sin A equals to, we can simply divide by sin A here, so that meaning will not get changed. If we will do the same thing in numerator and denominator, meaning will not get changed. Correct? See, 1 upon sin A, 1 upon sin A. So meaning will not get changed because sin A cancel each other. So same expression will be there. But we have to divide by sin A to get this relation. Here sin A will come in the bracket, so it becomes sin A upon sin A plus cos A upon sin A upon 2 cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A. In this expression, I have just simply divide each term by sin A because sin A is outside the bracket. So I have just taken it inside. Now sin A cancel each other by 1. So this value is in the numerator is 1, and 1 cos A upon sin A is 12 upon 5. Again it is 2 and cos A upon sin A is 12 upon 5. It is minus 1. Now here when you will take the LCM, 2 into 12 is 24, and here I have taken LCM. 5 will cancel each other. So your answer will be 17 upon 19. This is the answer. Understood this question? That there is, we are here in this question we are not using any identity, but there is a relation between the two trigonometric ratios by the given condition. According to the given condition, we can derive the relation between the two trigonometric ratio and just simply put. Okay. Now come to question number 22. It is similar to question number 20. In this question, 3 cot theta equal to 4, and the value of this expression is to be found out. And you know the relation between cot theta, sin theta and cos theta. Cot theta equals to cos theta upon sin theta. See, it is given 3 cot theta equal to 4. It means cos theta upon sin theta. That relation I am using. So cos theta upon sin theta equal to 4 upon 3. Now in the previous question it was 12 upon 5 now, same value. So simply we will do the same thing. We will divide by sin theta in both numerator and denominator. So expression is 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Again we will divide by sin theta in both numerator and denominator, so that meaning will not get changed. Okay, meaning will not get changed and it will be easy to solve. Now sin theta will come inside the bracket and each term will get divided by sin theta here. 3 cos theta upon sin theta. Now sin theta will cancel each other. It's 1. 5 into 1 is 5 minus 3. Value of cos theta upon sin theta is 4 by 3. It is 5 into 1 is 5 and plus 3. Value of cos theta upon sin theta is again 3. So it is 5 minus 4 upon 5 plus 4. So answer will be 1 by 9. This is the answer. Simple. That in this type of relation you have to just do the cross multiplication, so that you will have the value of trigonometric ratios or the relation between the trigonometric ratios, and just simply put the value of that trigonometric ratio in the given expression.